Hello students, today we are going to learn chapter 1 Shifting Homes of class 5 EVS. In this chapter we are going to discuss about various reasons why do people need to change their homes or why do they need to move from one place to another. So let's begin with the chapter. Here Mrs. Puri, the class teacher of class 5, she comes to the class and wishes boys and girls and she welcomes the students to a new term. She introduces herself and asks other students to introduce those who are new in the class. So then she comes to know that a boy whose name is Rohit, he has taken new admission in the class as his father has been transferred to the city recently. Rohit's father has a transferable job and he is transferred from one city to another every 2 years. So this is the first reason why do people move from one place to another, transfer in the job. Now, next girl, Anamika is another new girl in the class. She says that her family had to leave their hometown and settle in a new city as her village by the river side was washed away by floods during the monsoon season. Anamika's family suffered heavy damage as the crops were destroyed. Their house was also swept away by the currents of the flood water. So this is the second reason why people change their places. So the reason is destruction of their home. Now, next thing, Anamika's uncle lived in the city and he got a job for her father here. So they got shifted. Now, Mrs. Puri welcomes the two new students of the class. She then explains to the class that both Rohit and Anamika had to leave their previous homes and shift to a new place. This movement of people from one place to another is called migration. When people move from one place to another, it is known as migration. People migrate within a country or even to a foreign country. That act of people moving out of one country and settling in another country is called immigration. When a person moves from one country to the another, that is known as emigration. The people who move out are known as emigrants. The coming in of people to a new country in order to settle there is called immigration, and the people who leave their own country and come to settle in another country are called immigrants. Gradually, immigrants adapt to the culture and lifestyle of the country they have moved to. However, they try to retain their own customs and traditions as well. As you know that if we change our place or when we go to another country, we adapt to their culture and their lifestyle. It takes little bit time, but we become used to it. Now, this is the fact: the United States of America is known as the land of immigrants because from all over the world many people come and settle there for better life, for better education, for better career. Now, here we are going to discuss some causes of migration. Why do people migrate from one place to another? First is transferable job. Like Rohit's father, some people work in organizations where they get transferred from one place to another in a search of better lifestyle. This is the second reason. People from small towns often want to move to big cities where they can get various facilities to improve their lifestyle. Like they can get better education, they can get better jobs, they can earn more, and they can facilitate themselves by purchasing everything, right? So the next point is in search of a better career or education. Sometimes children cannot get the facility for higher and better education in the place where they live. Then they move to another places or cities where they can be exposed to better education. You must have seen your elder brothers or sisters or your uncles or your any relatives or cousins. They move for better career and education to the different city. Now, due to war, this is a little bit different condition. After a war, a place is devastated and the living conditions become poor and unbearable, because when the war takes place, everything gets destroyed, the crops, the houses, the other buildings, and the places where people work. Okay, so people need to move from that place. The affected people often move to another place or country where the living conditions are relatively more favorable. So that's all for today's this is for today's part. Tomorrow we will discuss more about this chapter. Thank you.